As I paint this draped white sheet, let me share with you the captivating tale of the Phanthom sheet. The story, steeped in history and mystery, will add an intriguing layer to our exploration of folds and fabric. In the early 19th century, a grand estate in England called Hinton Amper became the centre of an unsettling series of events. The lady of the house, Mary Ricketts, began to experience a range of supernatural occurrences shortly after moving in. Among these eerie events, the most peculiar involved a seemingly ordinary white sheet. One evening, she noticed the white sheet on her bed behaving oddly. It appeared to ripple and move as if touched by an unseen hand. She dismissed it as a trick of the light. But over the following weeks, the phenomenon persisted. The sheet would fold and unfold, sometimes even rising slightly, as if an invisible figure lay beneath it. Word of the haunted sheet spread, drawing curious visitors and paranormal investigators to Hinton Amper. Despite numerous attempts to explain the occurrences, no one could identify a logical cause. The sheet's movements were meticulously documented, with witnesses describing how it seemed to breathe, ripple and fold on its own. Intrigued by the mystery, a prominent scientist of the time, Sir William Crookes, decided to investigate. He set up cameras and other equipment in an attempt to capture the phenomena. He could not provide definitive explanations for the haunted sheets. Over time, the haunting ceased as mysteriously as it had begun. But the story of the magic sheets remained. As I paint this white sheet, focusing on its folds and play of light and shadow, imagine the invisible forces that might be at work. In every fold and crease, there lies a story, waiting to be discovered. A reminder that sometimes the fabric of reality is woven with threads of the unknown.